Selenite. Just the name sounds magical, doesn't it? This crystal, named after the Greek goddess of the moon Selene, is as beautiful as its namesake. It's known for its ethereal glow, almost like it holds moonlight within its depths. But where does this mystical stone come from, you ask? Selenite is actually a form of gypsum, a common mineral found all over the world. Pretty cool, right? It forms in evaporating water, creating these amazing formations that look like they're straight out of a fairy tale. You can find selenite in caves, deserts, and even some lucky people's backyards. One of the things that makes selenite so special is its appearance. It's usually white or clear, and it has this incredible ability to appear to glow from within. Some people say it looks like solidified moonlight, which is super fitting considering its namesake. It's no wonder people have been drawn to its beauty and energy for centuries. So now that you know a little bit about where this enchanting crystal comes from and what it looks like, are you ready to delve deeper into its mystical side? Selenite isn't just a pretty face, you know. Oh no, this crystal is a spiritual powerhouse. It's known for its high vibrations and its ability to cleanse and clear negative energy. Think of it like a spiritual vacuum cleaner for your aura. One of the most popular ways to use selenite is for meditation. Holding a piece of selenite in your hand or placing it nearby can help you to quiet your mind and connect with your intuition. It's like having a direct line to your inner wisdom. But wait, there's more. Selenite is also believed to enhance psychic abilities and promote spiritual growth. So if you're looking to develop your intuition or connect with your higher self, selenite is the crystal for you. It's also a fantastic crystal for protection. Imagine a shield of pure white light surrounding you, deflecting any negativity that comes your way. That's selenite in action. It can help to create a peaceful and harmonious environment in your home or workspace. Remember how we talked about selenite being a spiritual powerhouse? Well, it's also a healing superstar. Selenite is often called the liquid light crystal because of its ability to channel high vibrational energy. This energy can be used to cleanse, balance, and heal the body's energy field. Selenite is believed to be particularly helpful for clearing blockages in the energy system, promoting a sense of peace and well-being. It's like giving your aura a refreshing cleanse and recharge. This beautiful crystal is also thought to be beneficial for promoting flexibility, both physically and mentally. It's said to help release tension and stress, allowing you to move with more ease and grace. And if you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, selenite might be your new best friend. Placing a piece of selenite on your bedside table is believed to promote restful sleep and vivid dreams. Section 4. Unveiling the secrets of selenite. Now that we've explored the spiritual and healing aspects of selenite, let's dive into some of its mystical symbolism and lore. Selenite has been revered by many cultures throughout history for its connection to the divine feminine and the moon. In ancient times, selenite was believed to be a gift from the moon goddess, imbued with her wisdom and power. It was used in rituals and ceremonies to connect with the divine and access higher realms of consciousness. Selenite is also associated with purity, clarity, and illumination. Its ethereal glow is said to represent the light of truth and spiritual awakening. It's a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always light to be found. One of the most fascinating things about selenite is its connection to the angelic realm. Many people believe that selenite can be used to connect with angels and spirit guides, bringing guidance, protection, and unconditional love. Section 5. Fun facts about this funky formation. Ready for some cool selenite trivia? Did you know that selenite is one of the few crystals that never needs cleansing? That's right, it actually cleanses itself. Talk about low maintenance. Another fun fact, selenite is super soft. It's so soft, in fact, that you can scratch it with your fingernail. Don't worry though, it's still tough enough to be used in jewelry and other decorative items. And here's a wacky one. Selenite is actually soluble in water. So while it's okay to cleanse your selenite with water, don't let it soak for too long or it might start to dissolve. Finally, did you know that selenite is named after the Greek goddess of the moon, Selene, because of its moonlight glow? It's said that the ancient Greeks believed that selenite was formed from solidified moonbeams. How cool is that? Section 6. Selenite, a crystal companion. So there you have it. From its origins as a humble mineral to its status as a spiritual powerhouse, selenite is clearly a crystal with a lot to offer. Whether you're drawn to its ethereal beauty, its healing properties, or its mystical symbolism, selenite is a crystal that can bring a touch of magic and wonder into your life. So why not give selenite a try? You might be surprised at the difference this incredible crystal can make.